This video talks about how to troubleshoot some issues with IPAC table files. These are all things that have bitten me before, so let me see if I can save you the trouble. The column headings for IPAC tables are not supposed to have spaces. They should have underscores, not dashes. Dashes will make it gag. Another thing you need to think about is the file name itself. You wouldn't think that it matters, but it does. My browser will save files that are the same name as something I already have downloaded with a parenthetical note. But if you try and turn around and upload that to the IPAC table validator, it gags. If you try to upload it into some of these tools, it will fail, but in some really weird ways. You can see here, look, it's uploaded the table. On the face of it, it seems like it's done it, but look, all those right ascensions should have been 312 something, and they're all 12 something. And the images came through, but the catalogs failed. All of that is partially bound up in the fact that the file name has a parenthesis in it. So you need to be really careful that your file names don't have any unusual characters. Speaking of unusual characters, there are often non-printable characters that show up in these files. Sometimes your editor will quote-unquote helpfully add tabs instead of spaces. That makes the table validator choke. It cannot have tabs in the file. Also, if you're creating a file that comes directly from, say, Microsoft Excel will put some non-printable characters at the end of every line. So you'll need to get into an editor that will show you what those non-printable characters are and swap them out for actual carriage returns, not just line feeds. Some of the tools complain if RA and DEC are lowercase. If you're getting some unexpected answers, change it to uppercase. Try that, but also try that. If that doesn't work, go back to lowercase and check for some of these other issues. You can also use the table validator to retrieve coordinates given a list of sources. Here I have a list of objects. They're just names. They don't have a right ascension and declination attached to them. So let me go find it in here and actually tell it yes. Go and apply the name resolution. The first thing it says is that the first header line must end with a bar. So let's check. Yep, sure enough, it's not ending in a bar. Let's fix that. And then now let's update it again. Have it. Okay. Now it says it's missing RA and DEC. Well, yeah, because that's what we want it to look up. So let's ask it to do it. It's going to take a little while to go and look up the positions for all of these objects. Okay, it's come back, and it's given us a link to the reformatted table. Here it's repeating back the name that I gave it, and there's the positions that it looked up. Now you can save this file and upload it into other Ursa tools.